Hello guys, so breaking news. Fabrizio Romano just dropped one sweet update just now in the last 30 minutes or thereabouts, because I'm recording this video around 5:30 or thereabouts. So Babakon let us know say Arsenal exclusively don't already submit initial bid for Nodi Madueke around £50 million package with the add-ons like totality, everything inclusive, make up the £50 million package. Now Chelsea, based on who dem be, dem want more than the 50 million wey Arsenal dey give dem, because then they look at Elanga to Newcastle. I think that deal was around 52 or something million. So then they look that deal as example. Now, Romano said there's a good relationship between Chelsea and Arsenal as the talks continue. You get so Madueke already agreed personal terms with Arsenal. Before Romano dropped this news, David Ornstein self drop you and say Arsenal and Chelsea already make contact and they're already discussing, say they won't run deal. You get, although according to David Ornstein, Noni Madueke, if you see other options, we come outside. Say maybe they won't give them offer to sign, no go talk, say no. Say we see option, in go. It's not like he's prioritizing Arsenal or nothing. So if the option come, that's the first time if he match Chelsea's valuation, he will look at other alternatives. But the guy really won't come out for Chelsea now, and only Arsenal at the moment, because remember, say PSG said the fine winger. Don't forget to buy and sell. Like people playing through the fine winger. Yeah. So for here, I'm going to watch as things they go. So for the deal now, 50 million. Some people say, this 50 million, is it not too much? Because as of now, none of us know how much fixed fee Arsenal they offer them. How much be the add-ons? All we know say the package. Now, totality 50. Some more just watch. In fact, I'm not gonna lie for you. This came to me as a shock, because in the midst of the Club World Cup, go serve as distraction. That's what I was thinking. I'm just surprised. All right, guys. If I see any other updates, I will let you know. So, as you guys will.